Welcome back to Lucrative Trading. In this video, I will be discussing 5 crucial habits that can significantly impact your success as a trader. While day trading can be exhilarating and potentially profitable for you, it also demands extreme discipline and a balanced lifestyle. By incorporating these 5 habits into your routine, you can enhance your trading skills, manage stress, and increase your overall well-being for your lifestyle. Sufficient and quality sleep is vital for day traders. Adequate rest ensures that your mind stays sharp and you are emotionally balanced for the trading day. Good sleep gives you many benefits. You get improved focus because a well-rested mind is more attentive and can make better trading decisions. You get better emotional control. Lack of sleep can lead to impulsiveness and irrational choices, which may negatively impact your trading performance. Now, can somebody please turn off the lights? I am trying to sleep. Number 2, exercise. Regular physical exercise has numerous benefits for day traders, especially for us because we spend long hours in front of a screen. Not only does it give you time away from the screen and help your eyes get a break, but it's also great for your discipline, because if you can have the discipline to wake up and go to the gym every single day, then you have the discipline it takes to be a trader. Exercise boosts your energy levels, allowing you to stay alert during trading hours. Trading can be stressful. Exercise releases endorphins that alleviate stress and improve your mood. Physical activity promotes brain health and cognitive function, helping you analyze markets more efficiently. Not only that, you can get big and strong. Number 3, having a hobby. Engaging in hobbies outside of trading is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. And you get more points if it's away from a screen, giving your eyes a nice break. You get some stress reduction. Hobbies provide an outlet for your stress, preventing burnout and exhaustion. Hobbies can help stimulate creativity, which can positively influence your trading strategies, coming up with new ways to optimize the way you trade. Finally, diversification. Dedicating time to hobbies beyond trading allows you to gain different perspectives, preventing tunnel vision in your trading approach and suffering from some sort of trading addiction. For me, I like to skateboard, which is a nice physical activity away from the screen. Number 4, meditation. The fast-paced and stressful nature of trade can lead to mental overload. Meditation helps calm the mind and improve focus. Regular meditation reduces anxiety and promotes emotional resilience, critical during volatile market conditions, especially this year's bear market. Meditation enhances self-discipline, preventing impulsive trading decisions that go against your strategy. Mindfulness gained through meditation can lead to better awareness of market patterns and trends. And finally, one of the most important things to become a better trader is to journal your trades. Keeping a trading journal is a powerful tool for self-improvement and learning from past experiences while maintaining your discipline to help follow your trading journey and to see if you're on the right track. Reviewing your trades helps identify strengths and weaknesses in your trades and seeing if your strategy is actually a viable strategy. By analyzing past errors, you can avoid making the same mistake again and again. Not only do trading journals help you avoid mistakes, it also helps you refine and fine-tune your strategy, and you are able to adapt to changing market conditions. Finally, incorporating these 5 trading habits into your everyday lifestyle, you can significantly enhance your day trading performance. Remember, trading success isn't just about time spent at your desk. It's also about taking care of your mental and physical health. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to subscribe, and that will really make my day. Thank you very much, and goodbye.